What's going on, my sex YouTubers? What's going on, my sex YouTubers? Welcome back to Riquito365. My name is Rick, and this is your channel, guys. The reason why I'm here today is because I have a problem in my house, and I'm trying to solve this problem by the most economic way, the cheapest way, safest, and with some help from YouTube. So over the last couple of days, I've been having issues with my drains here at the sink, and over there where the dishwasher where the washing machine goes. So every time that there's draining water, I heard these gurgling sounds and something crazy. So I called my company, my home warranty company, American Home Chill, and they sent two different companies here to fix the problem here in Tucson. Both companies came here, and within a matter of seconds, they put a snake through the pipes on the laundry room, and they cleared the clog, whatever was happening, and then they're like, "Oh yeah, you'll be fine." So I went on my day. The following day, the same issue. So I call American Home Chill, AHS, and they call a second company. The second company came here with the same machine. They did the same thing, and they were gone. It's been 48 hours, and I think yesterday we heard the same sounds again. The one thing that both companies tried to do was they tried to sell me into this pressure washer, the pipes out, you know. And I was like, okay, how much is it gonna be? They're like $600. One company told me same price, but one company told me we do so many of these a day that for us to get you on schedule, it's gonna take you another week. But for another extra $100, $700 now, we can do it today within minutes because the guy has the machine with him. I'm like, man, you're just trying to rob me $500. I went on YouTube like we all do, and I found some products. I found some people that have done it themselves, and I'm about to do it here. So hopefully, guys, this works. I'm gonna put a link in the description or what I got, what I'm using, and hopefully we can tackle this problem together. So, and I'm gonna tell you how I'm gonna do it. So this is what I got from Amazon. I paid $60, guys, for this, and hopefully I got everything that I need. Okay. This kit came with these are the main parts right here. So I'm gonna put this into the pressure washer, and then I got one jet right here that shoots multiple things. 2, 3, 4. This is amazing. And this is the So 2, 3, 4. This is self-explanatory, and I'm gonna bother you with that. Let's go to the pressure washer machine, and then let's put everything together. Let's go. Okay, guys. So we are here. I put everything pretty much together. So this is the hose that comes from. This is the hose that comes from the kit, the black hose. Right here at the end, I put the filter here. This have holes on the sides and has one hole on the front. I think this is adapter letter Z, okay? And then on the other side, I just put the other fitting, and this fitting right here is going to allow me to connect straight into the pressure washer filter, pressure washer gun right there. So I'm gonna connect that over there, and then we're gonna start doing this. Let's go. All right, guys, so right now we have everything set up. Like I tell you, we got our pressure washer, everything is connected, water hose, everything. We got from the water hose going to the water gun, and then from the water gun is going into the provided hose with the adapter. Now, this is the jet that I will be sending down there. Let me show you how we're gonna do this. So be very careful with that jet. So the first thing that I'm gonna be doing is we gotta locate that right there. Almost every single household should have. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to get here, and I'm going to unplug this little thing. It's spring loaded, so be careful. Okay. Now we're going to send from right there, we're gonna send this hose over there. So just like this. Perfect. Yeah, it is going perfect. Titi. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn on the machine. Give me, I'm gonna do a couple more feet, that's it. Go ahead, Titi. Oh, that's it, that's okay. All right, let's take this back. Can you crank it up one more time, Titi? Go ahead, Titi. Press. Right now we're taking the hose out. We're gonna mark exactly where we got it, which is right here. And I'm gonna push, I'm gonna show you how many feet we probably sent over there. And if I see anything. Wow. Titi, get that hose all the way out there. All the way up. I wanna measure it. From where I was, all the way to where. No, G, grab the end, All the way out. Turn it off, please. Thank you. He's my neighbor, by the way. He's an amazing guy. He's gonna be a great gentleman and an Air Force pilot in the future, trust me. So I think right here is 30 feet. So I think I can call this mission accomplished. So anyway, guys, don't pay $700, do it yourself. You got the tools, you know how to do it. 56 bucks instead of 700. If you have to repeat the same thing, you can repeat it yourself. You got to sweat a little bit, you're gonna get a little workout, and you're gonna get your house fixed in no time. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, comment on the video, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much to Jean and Devin with a D. All right, take care, guys. Subscribe.